If you're looking for women's pumps and heels, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017. Nature Breeze Women's Pumps and Heels. Number 1, most popular, by Nature Breeze. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Nature Breeze. Number 3. For more info about these great pump and heels shoes, just click the circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Nature Breeze. Find these women's pumps and heels at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more women's pumps and heels ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.